Today at CES 2024, we're going to be checking out Aiper's new Scuba series of pool cleaning robots. Thank you to Aiper for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. First up, we have the Scuba E1. This is great for an above-ground pool at home of less than 1,100 square feet. It has a tri-motor system and is equipped with a dual filter system to clean up the smallest of debris. It has a bottom roller brush and one-click activation, so all you need to do is charge it up, press the button, place it in water, and you are good to go. Now here on the bottom, you can see the rubber roller brush that's going to clean your pool. And then this also has 60 gallons per minute of suction power. So it's going to get through all the water in your pool in no time. Next up is the Scuba S1. This is great for pools of 1,600 square feet. When this is done, you can see this massive debris bin of 3.5 liters. Now the battery capacity on this is 7,800 milliamp hours, and it's going to give you about 150 minutes of cleaning time and take about 3 to 4 hours to charge. Now, one really unique feature of the S1 is the caterpillar treads. This is going to help the robot clean on no matter what surface you have. So if you have a little more bumpy terrain in your pool or even rocks as part of the pool, it would be able to go right over those. It does have a suction power of 70 gallons per minute, so it's going to be able to suction onto the wall and then be able to clean no problem. It has wave path navigation that's able to clean all of the different parts of the floor, and then it has 4 different cleaning modes: floor, wall and floor, and a new eco mode that will clean every 48 hours. Now next we have the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. This is going to be great for a pool of about 2,000 square feet. It has all the features we've talked about previously: the caterpillar treads, the dual ultrafine filters, wave path technology. It also has sensors to maneuver around obstacles in the pool, and it has 5 different cleaning modes. Now the 5th cleaning mode is called waveline technology. Now this is when the robot gets to the water line and cleans horizontally. This really is able to help clean up that grime that builds up on the water line. Now it's also compatible with the Aiper Hydro Com. That's kind of the buoy that sits in the water and can communicate and relay information back to the mobile app, where you can see the robot, and you can also use what's called waterline recall, where it can prompt the robot to climb the water line for easy retrieval. Now they also announced the Scuba N1 Ultra, which has more industrial strength than the S1 Pro. They just didn't have it on display. There's a new accessory, the Aiper Solar Panel. This will work with the Scuba S1, the S1 Pro, and the N1 Ultra. And then here we have the Aiper Surfer S1. So this is a new robot that's going to glide around your pool, cleaning up any leaves or anything that's on the top of the pool. Now this has a solar panel on the top, so it's going to charge while it's out and about, and it would last about 10 hours while it's solar charging. There you can see the propellers at the bottom, and there is the bin where it's going to collect all the dirt and leaves that are on top of your pool. Now this has ultrasonic detection, so it's going to be able to know if there's something that it's going to run into. And then also on the corners here, you can see these little rubber wheels that it will prevent it from bumping into the walls. So that protects the pool as well as the Surfer S1. So here we can see how the propellers are able to rotate the device and then have it take off in a certain direction so it can navigate around the pool, making sure all the debris has been taken care of at the top of your pool. And that is the new Aiper Scuba series of wireless pool cleaning robots. But wait, there's one more thing. This is the Aiper Horizon U1, a robotic lawnmower to help keep your yard clean. They're not only going to be cleaning your pool, they're working on being the go-to service to helping you keep up in the yard. More details to come, but I'm definitely interested in checking this out. Now it's great to see all the new Scuba series of robots that really can fit the needs of your home. They really are bringing the vacation home. Make sure you follow Aiper to be updated on the latest releases, and check out the link in the description below for more details. A huge thank you to Aiper for sponsoring this video. If you have any further questions, please check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.